Hey everybody, my name is Jimmy Vaughn. I'm the Technical Product Manager for Crestron AirBoard, which is what we're showing here. This enables any standard whiteboard to actually be used as an interactive collaboration experience. What you see here is what you have a camera arm, and over there is a control pad. That control pad is fed PoE, which feeds USB up to the camera arm. Now what you'll see is that I can draw on the screen here on a regular whiteboard using a regular standard pen, and what happens is it shows up on the screen over there, and it also shows up on a browser, because anybody in the world can actually use a browser to access this solution. At the end of the meeting, there's no longer a need to actually take a photo using your camera, because we'll be able to actually email you. We'll also be able to email you a long list of the boards that you've drawn over the period of time. The idea is at the end of that collaboration session, you not only want to see the end result, you might actually want to see how you got there. So we'll email a timeline of different slide progressions that over time ends up in that final result. Again, Crestron AirBoard, thank you very much.